people on.
Cowboy dance.
Good morning, guys. My name's Trevor. Welcome back to the Art to Vette channel. Today is Sunday, so it is Storytelling Sunday, and I'm sitting here in my living room today, going to be playing some Fortnite while I talk to you guys about some more stories. And to do so today, we're going to kind of cover the last video. If you didn't watch it, please go back and check that one out and then listen to this one. Now they're going to kind of play hand in hand here. It'll give you more of a general idea of what's been going on and what all that fun jazz. So anyhow, today is I'm free from quarantine. No more quarantine. We're done with that for our 4th round. Yeah, that's right. This has been our 4th round of quarantine. And man, does it it sucks. It sucks. Here's the thing. I've had to miss all 3 of my boys' last games of their season. That alone just ruins everything for me. I don't want to go into meetings. I don't want to be around anybody at work. I don't want to be quarantined again. And I'm telling you right now, if I do, I'm going to contact Guinness World Records and I'm going to be like, hey, how long has somebody been quarantined? How many times has somebody been quarantined? Because I feel like I'm pretty high up there next to that leaderboard we don't want to be on. So, anyhow, the last video we talked about forgiveness and how I had found forgiveness for somebody that had really hurt me in my life. And today we're going to talk about how on my path to finding forgiveness for myself. And so far it seems to be, things seem to be getting better. I have to thank God a lot for that, because I've been, every single day I've just been praying, like, help me figure something out here. And so I've got to give a lot of thanks to him and continue to pray and ask for his assistance, because man, do I need it. I need it bad. Anyhow, I've started to be able, well, since this quarantine, I've been able to work for the past 2 weeks now. That is a huge improvement for me. So hopefully finances should get a little better, ease up a little more here soon. On top of that, I'm not actually going to be able to find, I can't put the boys in childcare like I would wanted to and get back to full time, because right now the school that they attend is in the red zone for Corona COVID cases, because our county right now is exploding. Like, I'm pretty sure we're number 3, number 2 in the nation of what do you call it? Most cases, or most new cases, or something like that. So yeah, it is what it is. There's Wolverine. We're gonna avoid him. And so since we have that many new cases, we are actually not, they're still in school, but some other schools around here are actually closed. Like, they don't even have school. They're all remote. I gotta move you guys over here so I can see my little menu there. My loadout, that's what you call it. Oh, that's sideways. There, much better, much better. Alright. So yeah, I have to figure out what we're gonna be doing. Because they're gonna be working not quite remotely, but very different school than ever before. Alright, here we go. I'm gonna try and kill Wolverine. Oh. Oh, he got me. It's tricky going after him. So school is for one, is hybrid, so he's only going to go once a day now, and then do his other day, because he only goes twice a week. He will be doing one day at home, one day at school. I don't know how we're going to do that yet, but the plan is going to fall in place hopefully soon. We'll figure it out, get through this school year. As for my other boys, luckily they're still going to school, because if they did not go to school, that means I would stay home and become a third grade teacher, a second grade teacher, and a preschool teacher all on the same day. And I would no longer be able to go into work. And luckily we have the CARES Act, which would help alleviate some of the financial requirements that would be needed in order to do so. Because not everybody can just leave their job and not make it, not have enough money. I'm clearly one of those people. I do not have anything saved because I'm terrible at saving. I've got to figure out how to get better. Eventually, I can save money for my boys. That's about it. But for myself and covering bills and stuff like that, nope. So I'm stuck on that paycheck to paycheck, or paycheck to skip a paycheck to the next paycheck, because that paycheck has money for this paycheck, Robbing Paul to pay Peter, because you don't rob Peter to pay Paul, where he got a short Peter, so you don't want that. So, yeah, been kind of crazy. It's getting better, and finding the forgiveness for myself is challenging, but figuring it out. And in due time, I should be 100% be able to go back to somewhat normal life. I'm really hoping that I'm led in a direction that will help better our lives more than just a raise or more hours at a job, or because that's not what I want. I don't want that. I would rather have as much time with my boys right now, because these first 18 years of their life, it's not even really 18, it's more like the first 15 maybe, are gonna be the most time that I can have with them. Because the rest of the time, they are going to be with friends, and everything else, so oh no! I just about knocked myself. But they're gonna be hanging out with friends, and I won't really get that time back with them. So right now, while I can, I would much rather get that time with them now than try and make it up later. Because we're never granted tomorrow. It's always best to enjoy the present. Plan on the future, but enjoy the present. Because that's what we were gifted. So this is more about my quarantines and how I'm surviving them out in the wild. It's getting lonely. It's not too bad. It does get pretty long and boring, but it works out, so I'm not too concerned about another quarantine. I really don't want it to happen, but you know, if I get quarantined again, I get quarantined again. What are you gonna do about it, you know? Well, alright, that's gonna do it for this video. So if you guys enjoyed it, leave me a thumbs up, drop some comments down below. Let me know what you think about going for that Guinness World Record, because I think it would totally be worth it, in a sense. My nose is super itchy, sorry guys. As always, don't forget to click that red subscribe button, and we will catch you in the next video. Oh, and come get in the picture, bro. All right. Show us your trophy. Oh yeah, look at that award. And what'd you get it for?
My game.
For playing soccer?
Yeah.
And winning some soccer games?
Yep.
That is so cool. All right, hop on in the Corvette.